Would you rather have someone tell you how to do something, or would you prefer if they just did it for you? If you're anything like me, a solopreneur business owner, then you probably already have a ton of things you're juggling in your business. So the more shortcuts you can take to not have to do everything manually, the better. So I'm going to show you 3 super easy done for you marketing hacks that you can start using right now. I'll show you how to take your existing content and transform it in seconds to get even more traffic and reach. You'll see how to edit videos in one click and automatically add captions and effects and B-roll, and how you can get entire sales and marketing funnels built for you specifically for your goals and industry. And before I jump in real quick, my name is Kevin, and on this channel I show solopreneurs how to make more, spend less, and work less. And as always, I'm sharing all my secrets here without holding anything back, so all I ask is that you hit that like button and consider subscribing if you want more content just like this. So the first done for you marketing hack is to use ChatGPT to transform your existing content into an unlimited amount of additional content types that you can use across different channels. As an example, what I usually do is I take all my YouTube videos and turn them into blog posts. So all you need to do is grab the transcript just like this. YouTube creates a transcript for you. Then hop over to ChatGPT and say something like, create a 1,500 word blog post from the transcript of this video I created, write in a casual and friendly and informational tone, but you can of course use your own brand voice however you like to write. Don't be cringe or cheesy, because sometimes the AI can do that and it doesn't sound great. And if you want to include emojis for emphasis, you're just giving it some instructions for how you want it to write. Then we just paste that transcript we copied, and in seconds you'll see that ChatGPT has just written an entire blog post for us. And what you can now do is just copy and paste this into your blogging software, and you have a unique blog post written specifically for you from your own original content. But to take things further, what if you now want to write an email promoting either the YouTube video or the blog post? Let's do the blog post. Write me an email promoting this blog post. Because ChatGPT already has the context, it's just doing this for you. Done. Likewise, you could say, write me a tweet to promote this blog post. Include hashtags. Done. So we've just taken our YouTube video, made a blog post, made an email, made a tweet, done the keyword research, and so on and so forth. You could make it write one for Instagram. You could make it write one for LinkedIn. You could make it write one for TikTok. In fact, speaking of TikTok, you could say something like, create a 1-minute script I could use for TikTok. So right here, it has just written a 1-minute script you can use, and you can then use this to start making a video for TikTok. And it also goes the other way around. You could have taken your blog post and said, write me a script for YouTube, or write me an email. So the done for you trick here is take one piece of content that you've already written or created or filmed. And of course, you can also get ChatGPT's help in doing that initial work, but don't just stop there. Then literally take that piece and you can transform it into so many other formats with literally one prompt. This is actually what I do with all of my YouTube videos, and it saves me a ton of time. I used to have to hire freelancers to write blog posts from my videos or take the time to do it myself, and now I just don't have to do any of this. So this has definitely been a game changer. Another one of my favorite done for you marketing hacks is to automate a ton of my video editing, especially when it comes to short form video, which of course you have to do a lot of to stay in the algorithm. So the way I'm doing that is with this cool tool called Submagic. I'll link it down below and you can try it for free. Just click the link in the description and go here, click try for free. And you can sign up with Google or enter your email. It takes like 10 seconds to sign up. Then once you've signed up, all you need to do is add a video of yours. You can just drag it in, pick your language. It supports tons of different languages, hit upload. So then it's automatically generating your captions, takes a few seconds. And then when it's done, this is when the magic happens. So what you can first do is remove any big pauses automatically. You do that and it takes it out. And if you have any filler words in your video, it'll actually remove them. So if you're saying like and all of these things, it'll just remove them. You can see that I'm sort of messing up right there. And because this is a hot take of mine that I was trying to do, and I purposely picked a bad clip, but you can see where I'm messing up, and you can just delete out this entire sentence and just have it start there. And it just did those cuts for you in seconds. So if you can edit a Word document, you can edit a video now. So it just makes it so much faster to edit videos. So then what you can do is you can add subtitles like the best creators in one click. So you can see here, you got Alex Hormozi style captions, or you can do Mr. Beast, or maybe you want Ali Abdaal. And it's just automatically doing their style of captions for you in one click. Next, you can just add some B-roll and some sound effects automatically. Just hit magic B-roll, and in a few seconds, you can see that it's just added B-roll for my video. And you can actually mess around with this B-roll and tweak it to have something else if you want to change it up. It has an entire library, but it's automatically added sound effects and B-roll. I'm just not playing the audio because it's on top of what I've done here. But you can see here, it's done that for you in just one click. And finally, when you're ready to post, it'll actually write your AI description, the caption for your video, and do your hashtag research in one click. Just click that and you'll see that it's just done it for you. Then all you have to do is export your video and copy the captions. It's written for you and you are good to go. As I said, this little tool has saved me a ton of time editing videos, and I'm sure it will for you too. So the last hack I want to show you is how you can build marketing campaigns and sales funnels in a way easier way that gets 80 to 90% of it done for you. The way I'm doing this is with this all-in-one marketing tool called Kartra, and Kartra has all of these campaigns and funnels you can just deploy in one click for pretty much every industry and use case. So here's Kartra, and you can see there's a chiropractor new client onboarding, interior designer website, auto repair, crafts, architect. So you can see here, if you're an architect, you could do a podcast, you could do a downloadable, you could do a website. If you're crafts, you could do a free video, a 4-video series. So it has multiple campaigns by industry, by use case, sometimes combining the two. So you can see agency services podcast, monthly subscription PDF download. So these are all campaigns you can use depending on your industry and your use case. Interior designer, chiropractor, insurance, plumber, contractor, florist, graphic designer, digital agency. You get the idea. But let me show you exactly what you're getting here with these campaigns. So for example, let's look at this free lead magnet campaign, and it shows that you get 16 assets. So it's going to build pages, tags, products, videos, lists, sequences, forms. It's going to build all of that for you. And diving into how it's going to put it together for you strategically, you can see that it's going to build that opt-in page. It's going to build a sales page for you that you can put your sales video on. There's going to be a follow-up sequence for the people who opt in. You can see what happens after they purchase. There's an upsell, and there's also an email that goes to people in case they didn't buy the upsell. Can see all of the things that are happening there. Then to deploy this campaign, all you have to do is hit deploy campaign. Next, just name the campaign and hit import. And in a few seconds, it's going to import all of these assets that you're now going to be able to customize. Then just like that, it's popped up this handy little wizard that's going to help us customize everything we need to. So you can edit the tags here, you can edit the lists if you want, and going down the list, you can see there's sequences, there's products, and you just need to go in here and customize each of these things for you. For example, let me show you the landing pages. So all you need to do is go to pages, and then it will show you all the landing pages it just built for you. So it says here, main landing. All you would need to do is go to edit, and then right within Kartra, you are editing this landing page. So you just put your own logo, you make any changes here, you add your own video, and so on and so forth. You can change up some of this section here, include your own testimonials. It's basically done 60 to 70% of this landing page for you, and all you're doing is introducing your own content that's unique to, of course, your offer. Then what you would do is, likewise, you would edit all of these things, the tags, the list, the videos, the sequences, the products. I actually have tutorials for every single one of these features on the channel, so check that out if you want to learn how to do any of this more in depth. But effectively, what Kartra is going to do is it's going to do all the campaign strategy for you, import all the skeletons that you need to fill in, so basically the templates, and then you just need to spend a little bit of time to customize the templates to be specific to your own offers. And what's great is all of this stuff is built right within Kartra. You can see it as pages, forms, memberships, webinars, media, calendar, survey, help desk, campaigns, funnels, all of it, all within Kartra, the email functionality to send those sequences. So all of it's housed in one place. You don't need to worry. So it's an amazing all-in-one marketing tool, and it just makes creating these complex funnels so much easier because it's doing all the strategy and hooking everything up together for you. And all you need to do is just add in your own personal information or your own details of your business, and you are ready to go. So building a funnel can typically take multiple days to weeks. Now you're able to do that in maybe just a few hours. So if you want to give Kartra a try, click the link in the description down below and you'll get a free 30-day trial. So you can play around with the campaigns feature, see if it has what you need for your own business and your goals, and try it risk-free. So those are just 3 of the ways I'm saving tons of time and money in getting things done for me in my business. But I'd love to hear from you if you have your own marketing hacks that you'd love to share with everyone watching this video and the channel. So comment down below with your one best productivity hack and I will be sure to give you a response. And if you want to learn more about Kartra, check out this playlist where I show you in depth how to use each of those features. I'll see you in there.